Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are at number 22 Mill Lane. Now, Mill Lane itself is a really nice location to be in. You're only around the corner from Herne Village with its really good primary school, and you'll notice with this property it is large. You've got a lot of space on offer here. We've already had a little look there at the driveway, but we're going to go inside the main entrance hall and take a good look at the rest of the property. So now that we've taken a few steps into the main entrance of the property, you'll see there's plenty of storage space on offer throughout the entirety of this home. So we'll go through now into the main living space. Now, the arrangement of the rooms on the ground level here is really nice. You've got this really large open lounge and dining space, and the ceilings in this room are ginormous. It gives a really nice spacious sense of size to the room, and as we pan the camera around, you'll see here you've got a lovely big set of windows at the front there, and you've also got the benefit of having the fireplaces here as well, which gives really nice focal points to the room. Really nice open space here. So we've made our way upstairs, and we're going to go and take a look at all of the bedrooms that you have on offer here. Now, the first bedroom that we're going to go and walk over to in a few moments is located at the side and is a really nice space. So it's currently used for the children, and you've got the Velux window in there as well. Now, as we take a few steps down into the bedroom, you're going to see it's a really nice room, and you've got plenty of space there for the bed and for the storage behind you as well. And you've got that nice Velux window there. We've come across the landing, and now we're in another one of the bedrooms located at the back, and this property's got that lovely window that overlooks the rear garden. Now again, this is a really nice sized room. You've got lovely tall ceilings here, and you've got plenty of space for the wardrobe cupboards, and if you wanted a double bed as well, you can easily fit that here too. We'll go back to the front of the property and we'll take a look in this room here, which is currently used as a study. Really nice sized room, and again, really nice tall ceilings in here as well. So really nice room to use as a study or as a small bedroom if you wanted to. So looking at the front, we've got this really lovely sized bedroom. You've got the big window there at the front. You've got the double bed in here, plenty of space for that. And again, plenty of space for cupboards and drawers as well. Really nice sized bedroom. So we've come back across the landing now, and we find ourselves in the main master bedroom of the property. Now you'll see that nice big range of mirrored fitted wardrobes there, and again that lovely window that just looks over the rear garden there. So you've got plenty of space in here for the double bed. You've got that really nice contemporary radiator in the corner, saving even more space. But what's really interesting here is this ensuite that you've got. Now this is really quite smart. With the ensuite space here, you've got the toilet and the basin unit there, that window that overlooks the back garden, but it's really nice and open to the rest of the master bedroom, and you've got a really nice bath unit in here as well. Very unique, but it works so well with this property. So we've come back downstairs now, and we're now within the kitchen. Now again, you've got those really lovely tall ceilings that you've got throughout the property, and especially on the ground level here, but this kitchen is a great size. You've got that nice central island there, but it's a really big space. And when you're finding that, you know, everybody's congregating at the end of the day within the kitchen, this is what that space is used for. So you've got that lovely big kitchen with the utility room and downstairs bathroom just located off of that, and you've got this really nice big reception space at the back in the form of this really nicely built conservatory. Now again, when I go back to the point of everybody congregating at the end of the day in the kitchen, which is so often the case, when you're having friends and family over, you're going to find yourselves using this space more often than the rest, no doubt. And you've got that really nice easy access out into the back garden here, which is really lovely. So we'll go back through the kitchen here and show you the more practical side of this ground floor living space. You've got here the utility room, which is brilliant. You've got plenty of space in here for all of your appliances. You've got the boiler there as well, and you've got that all important downstairs bathroom here, which is such a bonus with a property of this size. We're going to go and take a walk outside now, and we're going to go out through that utility space. So we've taken a look at the side access that you've got with this property, and as we take a walk out to the back, you get a sense from the outside of how big that really nice conservatory extension is there. So as we look further down the garden, you get an idea for how big this garden space really is. You've got a really nice aspect here. It's going to be sunny. It's going to be really, really nice. You've got a nice mixture of grassed area and patio area that you're going to be using all summer long, no doubt. It's really nice. You've got a really nice mix of trees as you go further down the garden, and you've got those nice hedges at the side there as well. It's a fully enclosed garden, really nice and private space, and again, it's all really nice and enclosed and safe for everybody. But as we take a look back at the property, you get that sense for how big this substantial semi-detached family home really is.